Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just scrolling on Instagram looking for some inspiration and I came across this look by Crystal Lindy and I thought it was very beautiful and very spring, so I wanted to recreate it for you guys today. So if you want to know how I did that, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the face. So first let's prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for some of my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral. And I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to apply some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02 just on the highest areas of my face. I'm going to blend it out with my M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to use that same brush to prime my eyes using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Now I'm going to set where we concealed using my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. For blush, I'm going to go in with Holiday by ColourPop and a Morphe M405 brush. Alright, let's get started on the eyes. First, on a small flat brush, I'm going to dip into the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette and begin packing food videos on the inner third of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with that same color again, but on a fluffy M456 brush. Now on another flat brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Playground from the Morphe X James Charles palette and pack that in on the outer corner. Now on the same brush that we used for food videos, I'm going to pick up the shade Sour from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Strawbreaker palette and pack that in between Playground and food videos. I'm going to use the M456 brush from earlier to pick up Sour and blend that into food videos as well. Now on a different M456, I'm going to pick up Playground and blend that into Sour a little bit better. Going back in with a little Sour. Now I'm going to take Sour and Playground on the same brush and blend those together. Alright, I'm really happy with this, so let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to take my new ColourPop liquid eyeliner and trace around my eye and make the butterfly wing shape. Ooh, I'm really proud of this. This is nice. Now I'm going to pack more of Playground into this part of the wing, and then I'm going to do Sour and Playground in this one. I'm going to add in a little bit of food videos to the bottom one just to make it a little bit more yellowish. I'm going to make these a little bit like bigger, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna like drag the black up a little bit more, but I'm going to look at the picture while I do that because I am afraid I'm gonna mess it up. Alright, so I'm really happy with this. Now I'm going to go in with a nail dotting tool and my BH Cosmetics white concealer and begin making the white dots inside of the black areas. Okay, I finished both the butterflies. I'm really happy with them. Like, this is really cool. This one is like, I don't know, it's higher, it's at a different angle, but I'm hoping that you just can't notice it that much. So I'm going to start with the rest of the face now. I'm going to do some highlighting. Let's see what we want to do for that. So I want to be super glowy, and I definitely want to use some gold. So I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Strawbreaker palette and put the shade Lemon Drop just on the inner corners of my eyes. It is a beautiful yellow gold. I think it's going to look really pretty. I might actually carry this onto the lid a little bit just to give it some extra sparkle. That just completely opened this up and I love that a lot. For my face highlight, I'm going to grab a M501 brush in the shades Glow and Ethereal from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. I'm going to try to go around the wing as best I can with this. I'm going to pick up Dream as well. Because if you go over eyeliner with highlighter, it just like makes it dull. I guess that's how you could explain it. I'm going to add just a tiny, tiny bit of lemon drop to my highlighter. I'm not going to add too much because I don't want it to wash me out. I'm just super highlighted right now. Usually I go in with, you know, my Anastasia highlighting kit, and that is very pretty, but like, I should stop sleeping on my BH Cosmetics one because dang. So I'm first going to line my lips with Lima by NYX, and then I'm going to fill it in with Dessert first, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with bottoms off. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!